In today's video, I'm going to teach you import your logo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your logo into Premiere Pro, place it over your footage, resize and position it cleanly, and even add a subtle animation or watermark effect if you want a polished professional look. First, make sure your logo file is ready. The ideal format is a PNG with a transparent background, which preserves clean edges and lets the video show through anywhere the logo should be see-through. A JPEG will also work if that's all you have, but it won't support transparency. Use the highest quality version you can, since scaling a low resolution logo will make it look soft or pixelated on screen. Open Premiere Pro and bring your logo into the project panel by dragging the file directly into that panel. You'll see it appear as a still image asset, just like a photo. Keeping assets organized here makes it easier to find the right file later, especially if you use multiple brands or versions. Next, place your logo on the timeline. Drag it from the project panel onto a video track above your main footage. Because it's on a higher track, it will appear as an overlay on top of whatever's underneath. If you press play, you should see your video with the logo sitting on top. Now let's resize and position it. Click to select the logo clip on the timeline, then go to the Effect Controls panel and open the Motion section. Use the scale setting to make the logo larger or smaller, and the position controls to move it around the frame. A common placement is the bottom right corner, but choose a spot that avoids important on-screen content. Keep a little padding from the edge so it doesn't feel cramped, and avoid scaling beyond 100% if the logo starts to look blurry. If you want a touch of animation, you can create a simple fade. In Effect Controls, use opacity keyframes to start the logo at 0% and bring it up to 100% over a short duration for a smooth fade in, and do the reverse near the end for a fade out. For movement, keyframe scale or position to gently grow or slide the logo into place. Small, subtle changes usually look the most professional. To blend the logo with your footage, you can apply a drop shadow effect for separation, or simply lower the opacity for a soft watermark look. Aim for subtlety so the logo supports your video without stealing the show. That's it. Clean,